Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today's training video is going to be about the total market cap with Bitcoin and the total market cap of the whole cryptocurrency industry as a whole. So there's two ways to look at this. You can go to one of my favorites at the beginning. Oh, sorry. coinmarketcap.com. Okay. What I like to do is go over here and hit cryptocurrencies because this graph is not my favorite. I like to see the 24, the daily, and the hourly. So come up here and click this button here. Boom. Now you get 7 days, 24 hours, and 1 hour. Okay, and you have the total market cap going to appear up here in just a minute. Okay, here it is right here. The total market cap for all these cryptocurrencies in the market is 143 billion. 238,876,809. Now, 50% of that is Bitcoin. Okay, when this number gets high, 55, 56, 57%, 60%, stuff like that, that goes to show you that Bitcoin has too much dominance over the market. Where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the market goes. Right now, it's even. Okay, but we can't really see anything when we look at this. So we click on this. You see a little chart. Not really much going on here. So another way to look at it, what I've learned recently in the last month, and I've been following this, I want to share it with you guys, is going to crypto total market cap, typing that in just like you would any other currency. Crypto total market cap, you'll have two currencies, one calculated with Bitcoin, one calculated without Bitcoin. I want to show you guys some differences. It looks just like Bitcoin except for a few different things. We have the same outside trend line. Okay, we'll zoom in here. Same inside trend line. Remember, this blue area represents the top that we cannot break. Okay, that shaded area there. We have the inside trend line. I want you to notice something here. Sorry. Okay, notice something here. On Bitcoin, the trend line had a clean break and retest. Okay, that didn't happen here. We had a third strike of the trend line on the daily total market cap, a third strike of the trend line, and another stab at this area right in here at 135 billion. Okay, couldn't get over this little gray area I highlighted, and now we comfortably broke past it. We didn't get past the top at 136.7, but we did get past this area here. As you can see, we've broken past all these highs. We had a reversal candle here, a beautiful reversal candle here. This is an actual reversal pattern here. So this is a beautiful reversal candle here, right off the third touch of the trend line. A beautiful confirmation candle after that wiped out all of this price. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of price. Came down, did a 50% retest back to that zone here. And now we're holding up and above 135.5, which is very, very good for us because this is looking like this is like trading the US dollar index if you were trading Forex. Because if you're trading US pairs, you want to know where the US dollar is going. So you trade and chart the US dollar, not the US dollar JPY or anything, just the US dollar. So this is the cryptocurrency market cap overall. It tells you where the market is going as a whole. And this, to me, looks extremely bullish. We got a third tap. We got a clean rejection. We've got a clean wipeout of all this price action. We've got a retest, and we're holding here. As long as this doesn't finish as a spinning top, and then we head back down to the trend line and break it, we should see a nice pop up and out of this region, breaking all this price, taking us back to an attempt to break these highs, and then sky's the limit after that, guys. We can keep right on going and just literally blast off to the moon. And there's another one, guys. The total market cap 2 is without Bitcoin. So we're going to go here to total market cap 2. And this is excluding Bitcoin. Since our Bitcoin dominance is down, we should see an identical chart. 1 second here. And we do. We see a pretty much identical chart here. Give you guys the example. There's the outside. There's the inside. not a break, a clean retest, up and above, wiped out all this price action, beautiful reversal candle right off the trend line. Things are looking very bullish. So this gives me confluence on the last video we just did to say, instead of looking at this from a perspective of a broken trend line, retest, and a break downwards, I'm going to look at this as a broken trend line retest back in. That's a fake breakout back over the top of price and wipe it all out to the left. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. So keep your eyes out on this. Chart this every day. Get used to looking at the market cap as a whole, with or without Bitcoin. It'll really help you. That's all we have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. We'll see you guys on the next Bitcoin breakdown training video.